Let me show you how to cast YouTube app to TV on Samsung Galaxy S25. In order to do so, you can simply open the YouTube app, and then in the top right corner you should be able to find this screen icon with Wi-Fi, and we can tap on it in order to proceed. Then we need to select our device, where we can choose it based on the Wi-Fi. Especially if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you should have no issues at all with finding the TV and connecting over here. If you have issues with finding the device, you can use the TV code. So you can tap link with TV code, and then over here you can provide the TV code that can be found on a TV as well. Over here you can also see the instructions how to get a TV code. And that is it. Of course, you don't really have to do this from the main menu of the YouTube. You can also open any video, and then in the pretty much the same spot you should be able to find the same icon, and you can start casting to TV pretty much at any point. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!